In this video, we will talk about how to fix File Explorer not responding in Windows 11. Method 1. Restart File Explorer. Right-click on bottom bar. Select Task Manager. In Search, type Windows Explorer. Right-click and select Restart. It often fixes the temporary glitches. Method 2. Reset and clear File Explorer history. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Run. Type Control Folders and press Enter. Click on Clear. Then Restore Defaults. Now click on Apply and OK. Method 3. Re-register Explorer. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Terminal as Admin. Click on Yes. Copy-paste the following command, given in the description, and press Enter. After running the command, click on Windows icon and restart your PC. So that's how you can fix File Explorer not responding in Windows 11. See you in the next video.